magic come off them playing NFL football.
I know, but they had this argument with Kale. After the incognito thing, they move around a little bit. But
Just so one of them Somali cab drivers stuck in a snowbank.
What would happen?
This guy said, I really have to go that fast.
Nope.
Well, he'd be asked a lot more questions. There'd be a lot more demands on his time.
Okay, he can't say no to those. I mean, he has a weekly media session.
What is this, a race to the snowplow guy?
It's waiting for you there.
Brady came out of the closet tomorrow and was playing for the Patriots.
Okay. I'm glad I bought an extra bottle of whiskey this week.
There you go. You're gonna need it.
So you're going around to the back?
Yeah. If you can't make it in there, I'll just get right off on the street.
Tom, did you pick up?
Yeah, 28, I am clearing. I'm pulling in now.
Get Ann Haynes. She's at 7-Eleven on Congress. It's CTS.
10-4 and Haynes. Oh, good, that's right up right now. That'll be easy.
Holy
And Tom.
shit.
28?
Once you have her, swing by 880 Forest Ave for James Banks going